I got my 2 packages in the mail. I'm super excited about it. Let's start with Gemfan. Got my Gemfan package. Got my 4S props. Thank you, Mike Duran. I got some 3-inch props. D75, 3 blades. These look pretty sick. The 3052 in blue, and it's like a purple black. I am super hyped to show you guys this package from FLYTRIBE Magazine. This package weighs like at least 20 pounds. I'm also here today because I fixed all 6 of my freestyle quads, and I'm going to be testing them before I go on this trip. So, bunch of stickers. So in this month's issue of FLYTRIBE Magazine, they printed my stickers and are giving them out with the magazine order. So order your issue of FLYTRIBE Magazine. You'll get some cool stickers with it. What else? Ooh, we got a couple of these. These are awesome. Thank you so much, FLYTRIBE. These are like stack saver / wristbands. Very cool. Got a bunch of these to give out. Whole bag of them. Endless amounts of battery straps. Ooh, we got lanyards. Got radio lanyards. These are solid. Got a bunch of shirts. These are awesome. Ooh, brand new hat. Epic. More battery straps. More lanyards. Tie-dye shirt. You guys hooked it up. Thank you so much. Very special package sent from FLYTRIBE. Pilot Spotlight, Apache, the guardian of FPV. Super hyped on this. Check it out, guys. This is an awesome issue. You're not going to want to miss this one.